Did Philippines just become the best place in the world to retire? According to the newly released Retirement Abroad Index 2026, the Philippines has officially been ranked the number one retirement destination in the world, beating popular countries like Thailand, Colombia, Spain, and France. The country earned top scores for affordability, visa accessibility, healthcare, and expat integration. But what makes the Philippines so attractive to foreign retirees? And is it really the paradise many expats claim it is? In today's video, we're breaking down the latest news, the rankings, the real reasons retirees from around the world are choosing Philippines. Let's get started. In June 2026, the Philippines was officially named the world's top retirement destination by the Retirement Abroad Index 2026 released by the Expatriate Group. The country ranked first among 20 evaluated countries. What's even more impressive is that the Philippines reportedly ranked first across all major categories: healthcare quality, visa accessibility, health insurance requirements, cost of living, expat community, and integration. This recognition follows another major achievement when the Philippines was awarded the best retirement destination in Asia in 2025. Government agencies, including the Philippine Retirement Authority and the Department of Tourism, celebrated the recognition as proof that the country is becoming one of the world's most attractive long term destinations. So, why are retirees choosing the Philippines? Number one, cost of living compared to North America, Australia, and much of Europe, the living expenses in the Philippines are dramatically lower. A retired couple can often live comfortably on a fraction of what they would spend in the United States, Canada, or the UK. Some reports estimate comfortable retirement lifestyles ranging from around $860 to $2,500 per month, depending on location and lifestyle. Number two, English is widely spoken. Unlike many retirement destinations, language barriers are minimal. Foreign retirees can communicate easily with locals, doctors, government offices, and businesses. Number three, the friendly culture. Ask almost any expat living in the Philippines and they'll mention Filipino hospitality. The warmth and friendliness of local communities makes it easier for foreigners to settle and build friendships. Number four, tropical lifestyle. Imagine waking up near white sand beaches, enjoying your year round warm weather, and spending your retirement outdoors. From Palawan to Cebu, Boracay to Bohol, retirees have countless lifestyle options. One of the biggest surprises in the ranking was healthcare. Many people assume developing countries struggle with healthcare quality. However, major cities in the Philippines such as Manila, Cebu, and Davao now offer modern private hospitals, internationally trained doctors, and healthcare costs that are often significantly lower than Western countries. For retirees, access to quality healthcare is one of the most important factors when choosing where to live. The Retirement Abroad Index specifically recognized the Philippines' healthcare accessibility as one of its strongest advantages. Another major reason for the country's success is its retirement visa program. The Special Resident Retirees Visa, commonly known as SRRV, allows qualified foreigners to live in the Philippines long term. Many retirees appreciate the relatively straightforward residency pathway compared to some countries where visa renewals and residency requirements can become complicated. The Philippine Retirement Authority continues to promote and improve the program to attract more foreign retirees. The retirees seeking a simpler retirement abroad experience, visa accessibility can be just as important as cost of living. If you are considering retirement in the Philippines, where should you go? Here are some of the most popular destinations. Cebu, a favorite among expats due to modern infrastructure, international airport access, hospitals, beaches, and large foreign community. Dumaguete, often called as the City of Gentle People, known for its affordability, walkability, and relaxed lifestyle. Bohol, perfect for retirees seeking a slower pace with beautiful natural surroundings. Davao offers a balance between city conveniences and lower living costs. Palawan, for those who want island living surrounded by some of the most beautiful landscapes in Southeast Asia. Each destination offers a different lifestyle, but all benefit from the same advantages that help the Philippines secure the number one ranking. We made a separate videos about cost of living in the province as well as cost of living in top cities in the Philippines. Link will be in the description if you are interested to learn more about it. Of course, no retirement destination is perfect. Potential challenges include traffic in major cities, seasonal typhoons, infrastructure differences compared to Western countries, bureaucratic process that can sometimes be so or super slow. However, many retirees believe the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. And that's exactly why the Philippines continues attracting retirees from the United States, Europe, Australia, Korea, Japan, and many other countries. So, there you have it. The Philippines has officially earned the title of the world's number one retirement destination for 2026. The country ranked first for affordability, visa accessibility, healthcare, and expat integration, placing it ahead of many long established retirement hotspots. Do you agree with the ranking? Could you see yourself retiring in the Philippines one day? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoy travel, expat life, cost of living guides, and hidden gems across Asia, Europe, and other destinations, make sure to subscribe to Panda Family Travels. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Ciao!